Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. We're going to be solving question 13 from the second chapter of the Beer Johnston textbook, and we have a steel tank that is to be positioned in an excavation. We need to determine by trigonometry in the A part of the question the magnitude and direction of the smallest force P for which the resultant of these two forces applied at A is vertical. So our R has to be vertical, and we have to find the minimum of P in here. And in the B part, we can find the corresponding magnitude or R. So if we do the triangle rule, we basically have these two forces of 425 pounds that makes 30 degrees here. And we know our resultant has to be vertical, so let's call this one our R. And the force P has to be the force that connects here to here. So this is our P. So we have the angle alpha in here, and we have to figure out when this happens and when we have our smallest P in here. So if you look at this figure, so we have to decide between either this is our P, that one's our P, or even this one is our P. If we look at it, we'll see that as long as we have a resultant of vertical, we can go with each of these P, but the question is asking for the smallest P, and we are seeing a right triangle in here. And if we look at it, we'll see that the smallest P is gonna happen when we have our alpha is equal to 0, or when our P is in horizontal direction. So this is the main takeaway of this question, because after this, everything's going to be easy. This will be our R, and the green vector would be our P. So we'll end up with this figure where this is 425, this is our P, and we're going to have R in vertical direction. So we know this angle is right angle. This is 30 degrees. Since this is a right angle, this will be 90 minus 30 or 60 degrees. So if you want to find P, we simply have the hypotenuse 425 sine of 60 degrees, and R would be 425 cosine of 60 degrees. So we just have to calculate these two. So 425 sine of 60, that's going to be 368.06 pounds our P, and we have 425 cosine of 60, that's going to be 212.5 pounds, or our R, which will be in vertical direction. So yeah, the main takeaway of this question is the angle alpha, in order to get the minimum P that we are looking for, so it has to be a horizontal in order to get it. And as we can see, the higher angle alpha that we get, our P is getting bigger and bigger. It will be basically the hypotenuse of that right triangle. So the lowest would be when we are horizontal. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you have any questions. We're covering 3 different textbooks in this channel. Feel free to check out the playlist and let me know if you have any specific problem that you want me to cover it in the next videos. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next one.